How to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok and click on your profile located at bottom right corner of your screen. Then simply click on three lines located at top right corner of your screen. Then click on settings and privacy. In here, you'll find notifications. Below content and display, click on notifications. Then simply scroll down. Scroll down till you find posts from people you may know. Simply turn that off. The white circle should be at left side. Also, turn off reposted by others and posts you might like. After you're done, you're good to go. This is how to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.